Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. 2019, so there was a day when Finance Minister announced the corporate tax rate cut. Just suddenly, one day, without any indication, the Nifty shot up nearly 10% in two trading sessions. What now people call it as Nirmala candle. And similarly, on Friday, PM has announced the reduction in GST, but he said there's a proposal only, so it might come around the Diwali time. But later, there were reports saying that the 28% GST will be moved to 18%, 12% will be moved to 5%, and all kinds of speculations. So because of that, the GIFT Nifty indicating a 250-point gap up. But once 250-point gap up open, I'm sure there will be a hell lot of activities. A 250-point gap up is considered to be a very good gap up, 1%. In fact, in the last few months, I do not remember Nifty opening gap up 250 point. Gap down 250 point is possible, but gap up is very, very difficult. And then we do not know how much more shorts are there and how much people will get scared. So will the FIAs who are holding 92% short position in index futures, will they go for short covering? So if there is a gap up of 250 point, I'm sure at least another 50, 100 point Nifty will move just because of short covering. And then we need to see whether FIAs are coming and booking the profits in cash market immediately or wait for the market to play out. So probably they may come in the afternoon, or who knows, they may even go for wait and watch. And because the news, it is such an excellent news, like most of the products and now come under 28% GST, like, air conditioning, automobile, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, refrigerator, washing machine, so household goods. If they all come under 18%, so indirectly, the prices may fall by up to 8 to 10%. And particularly, auto stocks set to benefit majorly because, auto stocks has been doing well for the last 1 or 2 months. Probably some people knew this, so that could be one reason. You look at when TCS trading at 52-week low and many FMCG stocks are trading at 52-week low. Look at Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, they're all trading at 52-week high. So probably some people know some kind of benefit is being worked out, at least for auto sector. So now it is very clear it's not only for auto sector, so others also. So if Nifty rallies another 1%, at least 500 point, then just like Nirmala candle in 2019, we can call this as a Namo candle 2025. But we have to wait and see what these FIAs are going to do, particularly in cash market. So when they were net sellers, even last week when the Nifty went to 24,300, so if market goes to 25,000, there is more reason for them to sell than buy. And another good thing that we were expecting, but that did not materialize, that was Trump-Putin meeting. So had the ceasefire came between Russia and Ukraine, then Nifty would have gone even further higher, but that has not happened. But however, not everything is ruled out. Today, Trump is meeting Zelensky, so who knows? Tonight we may expect some kind of a good news. So something may be, in that case, tomorrow also market will move higher. So yesterday, many people scared the people in social media by saying that, Buj Nifty, which is a, Dabba trading, Nifty was higher by 1000 point, but nothing of that sort has happened, right? So either these people who are scaring the others in social media, so probably they are jealous of other short sellers, right? So or they would have bought some options, call options. So they were wishing that Nifty gap up 4%. So the news had the announcement come, probably Nifty would have shot up 1000 point reduction in GST. But the announcement has not come, only the indication has come. So because the power lies with the GST Council. So like GST Council has all the states representation, including opposition states. So without their consultation, without their formal approval, Prime Minister cannot announce the GST reduction. So, but as and when that announcement come, so probably Nifty will definitely uh, move 1000 point from where it closed yesterday. So that's why I said around Deepavali time. So I'm expecting Nifty to take out at least 26,000, or I will not be surprised even all-time high is taken out. For a long time, we have been hugely underperforming. So it is time for our market to outperform. So I'm not looking at any other factor because today only one factor. So that is this GST news. Nothing else matters. And then how much shorts are going to be covered today. So that is going to decide how much market is going to go higher. So markets will see traction in the upside if Nifty takes out 25,000. But right now, GIF Nifty indicating 24,900. So, if the short covering happens, then the premium may expand. So spot may not go that much higher, but the future may go higher. So spot may go maybe 200 to 225 point higher. So that is not actually a big deal. So anyway, we will see what is going to happen today. It's very interesting day, and one has to be very careful. And I must tell you this story. On the day of Nirmala candle, market shot up like anything, and one of my friends, market has already shot up so much, how much more it's going to go. So he kept on shorting the market, means like selling the calls. As he keeps selling the calls, the markets continue to move higher. By the end of the day, his loss was more than his capital. So he had to pump in additional, he had 50 lakh rupees. And the total MTM came to 75 lakh rupees. Because the market shot up like anything, he had to pump in another 25 lakhs to clear the account the following day. So do not go against the trend. So the markets are heavily oversold, and 92% short position. Indian stock market history, that is the highest. And then the news is such a good news. And I would say this is the second best news after Nirmala candle. Probably, who knows, this can be even better than that. So that time only, uh, you know, 10%, 8% came down, but that is only for small companies. For big companies, it was only 5% benefit, 5% of the profit. But here, 10% of the GST reduces, that will be a huge positive for consumption. So the demand will increase so much, and then so accordingly the corporate profits will also come. So this benefit is in addition to the earlier benefit of reduced corporate tax. So therefore no markets can go anywhere. So time to be very careful about your short positions now. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.